Hey everyone, welcome back to VXN Cars. If you're someone who loves deep dives, honest opinions, and real-world car buying advice without the hype, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're talking about something big, and I mean full-size, flagship-level, luxury big. The all-new next-generation 2026 to 2027 Lexus LX 800 Edge hybrid SUV has officially been unveiled. And trust me, Lexus didn't just refresh it, they completely transformed it. This isn't a mild update or a safe redesign. Lexus went all in. A brand new platform, advanced hybrid technology, serious luxury upgrades, and features that honestly make even the Range Rover stop and look twice. So if you're considering spending six figures on a luxury SUV, you'll want to watch this till the end, because this one might genuinely surprise you. Let's start with first impressions, because that's where the LX 800 makes its intentions clear. The moment you see it, one thing is obvious: this SUV looks expensive. Lexus has kept its bold and aggressive presence, but everything feels more refined and more confident. The spindle grille is cleaner and wider, giving the front end a stronger stance. The LED daytime running lights are sharper, more modern, and instantly recognizable. The body sits on Toyota's latest TNGA-F body-on-frame platform, which gives the LX a more planted and muscular look without sacrificing elegance. From the side, the proportions feel just right. Massive wheels, squared-off wheel arches, and a longer, more commanding silhouette give it that true flagship SUV presence. Around the back, the full-width LED light bar finally gives the LX the modern luxury signature it was missing before. Overall, it feels like Lexus has stopped playing it safe and fully embraced its role at the top of the lineup. Now let's talk about what really matters. What's under the hood? The LX 800H is no longer the thirsty V8 luxury tank we knew from the past. Lexus has replaced it with a powerful twin-turbo V6 hybrid setup. And this change completely redefines how the LX performs. Combined output is expected to land somewhere between 470 and 480 horsepower. With torque figures approaching 600 pound-feet, for a vehicle of this size and weight, that's seriously impressive. That kind of torque means effortless acceleration. Expect a 0 to 60 time in the mid 5-second range, which is remarkable for a full-size luxury SUV. This thing moves more like a sports sedan than a 3-row luxury truck. And because it's a hybrid, fuel efficiency improves dramatically. Estimates suggest around 22 to 24 miles per gallon combined, which is a massive improvement over the previous generation that struggled to stay out of the teens. But where the LX 800 truly shines is inside the cabin. Step in and it immediately feels less like an SUV and more like a luxury lounge on wheels. The interior has been completely redesigned, and it finally feels worthy of the price tag. The dashboard features a massive dual-screen layout combining a fully digital driver display with a wide, high-resolution infotainment screen running Lexus's latest software. The system is faster, smoother, and far more responsive than older Lexus setups. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with over-the-air updates that keep the system fresh. Everything feels modern, intuitive, and polished. Material quality is exactly what you'd expect from a flagship Lexus. Soft, premium. Leather covers nearly every surface. Real wood trims and brushed aluminum accents add warmth and sophistication, while ambient lighting flows smoothly across the cabin. The seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions, making long drives feel effortless. If you opt for the executive rear seat package, things get even more impressive. Rear passengers can enjoy individual entertainment screens, separate climate controls, power-adjustable seats, and ottoman leg rests that feel straight out of a business-class airline cabin. Privacy shades and premium sound insulation make the backseat feel like a private sanctuary. Despite all this luxury, Lexus hasn't forgotten practicality. You still get 3 usable rows of seating, generous cargo space, and serious off-road capability. Features like multi-terrain select, adaptive air suspension, crawl control, locking differentials, and over 8,000 pounds of towing capacity mean this SUV can handle real adventures. You can tow a boat to the lake, drive off-road if needed, and still arrive in absolute comfort. Technology and safety are another area where the LX800 steps up. Lexus Safety System Plus comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera system, parking assist, traffic jam assist, and semi-autonomous highway driving. In heavy traffic, this SUV practically drives itself. You also get a head-up display, a digital key that works through your smartphone, wireless charging, and a premium Mark Levinson sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio with rich concert sound quality. Now let's talk about price, because this is where things get interesting. The Lexus LX A20 is expected to start around $105,000, with fully loaded models reaching approximately $125,000. At first glance, that sounds expensive. But once you compare it to the competition, the value becomes much clearer. A similarly equipped Range Rover easily pushes well beyond $115,000. The Mercedes-Benz GLS can climb even higher, and the BMW X7 often crosses the six-figure mark with options. Suddenly, the Lexus doesn't look overpriced at all, especially when you factor in reliability. This is where Lexus truly separates itself. Long-term ownership costs are significantly lower than European rivals. Maintenance is cheaper, repairs are less frequent, resale value is stronger, and Lexus's hybrid systems have a proven track record for durability. While German and British luxury SUVs are impressive, their repair bills can be brutal once the warranty expires. Insurance costs tend to be more reasonable, fuel savings add up over time, and depreciation is slower. Over a 5-year ownership period, the LX800 could save you thousands compared to its rivals. Of course, no vehicle is perfect. The LX 8.0 is still large and heavy, so it's not going to feel sporty when pushed hard through corners. Third row. Space is good, but not class-leading. And for some buyers, the prestige of a Range Rover badge still carries more emotional appeal. Fully loaded pricing is also undeniably high. But here's the bottom line. If you want flashy European status and don't care about long-term ownership costs, a German or British SUV may still be your choice. But if you're looking for a luxury SUV that delivers serious power, exceptional comfort, advanced technology, real off-road capability, and peace of mind when it comes to reliability, the Lexus LX 800H is arguably the smartest buy in the full-size luxury SUV segment. This might be the most complete luxury SUV Lexus has ever built. And honestly, for the first time, it feels like Lexus has created a true Range Rover killer. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more honest car reviews like this, hit that like button, subscribe to VXN Cars, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose the new LX800H or a Range Rover? I read every comment. See you in the next one.